A healthy liver is essential for your body to function properly. Unfortunately, for many of us, even if we have taken steps to look after our liver, it can still become unhealthy due to a poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, or other harmful lifestyle habits. If you are looking for ways to make your liver healthy again, there are a few simple, yet effective tips you can follow to get your liver back in shape quickly. If you want to learn more how to make your liver healthy again, please click on the link in description. Alcohol is one of the biggest contributors to an unhealthy liver. Reducing the amount of alcohol you consume, or cutting it out of your diet completely, can help to restore your liver's health. If you can't quit drinking alcohol altogether, then opt for drinks that are lower in calories and easier on your liver. Processed and fast foods can be filled with sodium, preservatives, and other unhealthy ingredients that can disrupt your liver's functioning. Avoiding these foods and opting for healthier, whole food options can make a huge difference in the health of your liver. In addition to this, limiting added sugars, such as those found in soft drinks and candy, can help to keep your liver healthy. Exercise is essential for good liver health, as it helps to improve your overall health and fitness. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise 5 times a week, or more if you can. In addition to this, you should also avoid too much sitting around, as extended periods of inactivity can cause the liver to become overworked and sluggish. Antioxidants are essential for good liver health, as they help to prevent the damage caused by free radicals. Eating foods that are rich in antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and green vegetables, can help to improve the health of your liver. By following these simple tips, you can improve the health of your liver in no time. A healthy liver is essential for your body to function properly, so take the necessary steps to make your liver healthy again. If you want to learn more how to make your liver healthy again, please click on the link in description. Thank you.